This is going to blow your mind if you're managing diabetes while working in a high-stress job. With the right strategies, you can stay on top of both your career and your health. Stress can have a significant impact on blood sugar levels, often causing them to rise. This is because stress hormones like cortisol can make your body more resistant to insulin, making blood sugar harder to control. But don't worry, there are practical ways to manage diabetes effectively, even when work is intense. First, prioritize planning. Keep healthy snacks at your desk or in your bag, like nuts, fruits, or low-carb granola bars. This can help you avoid the temptation of high-sugar snacks when stress hits or when you're rushing between meetings. Plan your meals and try to maintain a regular eating schedule as much as possible, even when work gets hectic. Consistent meal timing helps stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the day. Next, consider incorporating short bursts of physical activity into your routine. Physical exercise can help lower blood sugar levels and reduce stress. Even a quick 5-minute walk around the office or some light stretching at your desk can make a difference. If you have time, take a short walk during your lunch break or consider walking meetings. Mindfulness techniques like deep breathing or meditation are also great tools to manage stress. Taking just a few minutes to focus on your breathing or practice mindfulness can help calm your mind and, in turn, help keep your blood sugar in check. There are plenty of apps and online resources that offer guided meditation or breathing exercises specifically designed for busy professionals. Don't underestimate the power of hydration. Keeping hydrated is essential for overall health and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Keep a water bottle at your desk and aim to drink water throughout the day. Lastly, communicate with your employer or colleagues about your needs if you feel comfortable doing so. Letting them know about your condition can help create a supportive environment where you feel more at ease managing your diabetes. Remember, managing diabetes in a high-stress job is all about finding what works for you and making small, manageable changes to your daily routine. With the right balance, you can excel in your career and maintain your health. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness advice. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.